Kevin Smith warned officers that he would die ahead of ill-fated crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. There was a major development Thursday in the coroner's inquest into the death of Kevin Smith and Constable Orlando Irons while Smith was being transported to Kingston. Constable Orlando Irons and Dr. Kevin Smith, head of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, died in the October 25, 21 crash on the Linstead bypass in St. Catherine. The two police officers, Constable Chevron Gordon and Ryan Harrison, who were in the ill-fated police vehicle carrying the accused to Kingston, testified during the inquest on Thursday, detailing the disturbing series of events started before they left the Barnett Street Police Station in Montego Bay to take Smith to the offices of the Major Investigation Division in Kingston. While at the Barnett Street Police Station, Smith told the now deceased Constable Orlando Irons that the cup of tea that he was having before starting the journey to Kingston would have been his last. They further testified that Smith also told them that they would not make it into Kingston and that he, Kevin Smith, was going to die. Both constables testified that Smith told them along the journey that the blue Toyota they were traveling in was never going to make it into Kingston. Constable Gordon, who was seated in the front passenger seat of the ill-fated service vehicle, broke down in tears while speaking about the things Smith said and that he did in the car while being transported to Kingston. He related his testimony in tears as he described how Smith held on to the left shoulder of the driver, Constable Ryan Harrison, pulling him after he shouted out in the car that he was from Bogwalk St. Catherine and that he wanted to die there. He said when Smith held on to the driver, the late Constable Irons, who was sitting in the back seat with Smith, immediately tried to remove Smith's hands from the driver's shoulder. Both constables said that Smith held on to the driver despite both hands and feet being shackled. Constable Harrison, who said he had been driving for the police force for more than 14 years, told the judge that when Smith held on to him, it caused him to lose focus and resulted in the crash. The constable further stated that he maintained his grip on the steering wheel even while Smith held on to his shoulder. All that happened when he was driving in the middle of the road with the hazard lights on, trying to keep up with the marked service vehicle that was piloting his vehicle. The inquest ended on Thursday. The verdict will be revealed on May 21st, 2024. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.